What's up guys, it's Terry here from Cartronics. Today we're going to be installing an abundance of XKGLOW lights on this 2015 Nissan Titan. Let's get right into it. Let me show you what's going on. Alright, here we have the XKGLOW Underglow Plus interior kit. In this kit you have a healthy bit of extensions, 8 hard LED strips for exterior. What is this? 6 flexi soft strips for the interior, as well as controller, wiring harness for the controller, a couple of adapters, some hardware. Alright, just a couple of key things to keep in mind when installing this kit. Planning is everything. So I'm going to plan that I know I want my controller somewhere in the driver dash kick panel area of this vehicle. Then I look at, okay, these ends are male. With the extensions and the lights, they both have a male and a female end. So if you don't plan everything out, it's very easy to get them mixed up and you're rerunning wires, and it's not fun. Alright, so now we're under the truck. I have my light loosely up. This part is going to be different for every car, truck, whatever you're working on. Ideally, you would clean a flat surface, stick the double-sided tape on the back of these, stick them up and good to go, but in my case, not that, but not the end of the world. I'm just going to secure this up. I like to put electrical tape on the joints just to make sure, and yeah, that's about it. Just secure them up, get to the next one. Alright, now since this is in the outside of the car, I like to put some protective coating over it. This is loom, split loom. Just feed it all the way down till it's all the way at the end. Alright, now I got the cable loomed up. I'm going to plug it into my light and run it to the back to the next light. Alright guys, I got the kit installed, powered up. Alright, well that wraps up the XKGLOW exterior portion of the installation guide. As always, if you feel like you got it at home, go for it. If not, come see us at Cartronics.